Hello guys. Today we will see how to set the environment variables for the JDK for Java. Okay, for JDK11. So now go to the path. So where Java is installed, right? Go to the path, program files. Here you can see Java. So here my Java is installed. Okay, you can see here. This is our path. Okay, see program files, Java. So here this is our JDK. Open this JDK. Okay. So under this JDK11, so you can find this bin configuration. Okay, all these subfolders you can see. So we are going to see bin. So bin is the main part of the Java where you need to set the environment variable for environment variable path for this one. Okay. So this is our JDK11 path. Okay, it is installed in our C drive program files Java folder. Okay, JDK. Okay. Now we need to set the environment variables. Go to system properties. So, okay, directly system information, right? Okay, instead of this one, system. So, edit the system environment variables. Okay, go to environment variables. So, here you can create the environment. You can set the environment variables. So, for the Java. So, normally here you can see two options, right? User variables for this is my system username, system variables. This will comes to user variables for this username, right? This user only for this changes will these settings will applicable only for this user. Okay. So if you set the environment variables for system variables, whoever log into the system, so they can go and use the complete package. I can say JDK. So if you install JDK for user variables for this user, so only this user can access JDK11. But if you install under system variables, so anyone who logs into the user, they can use JDK properties. Okay. Now I will set the environment variables. So normally everyone will specify like this only. So just provide Java home. Okay. Java home. Java home. So what is the value? Variable value. So Java home, you can provide till here. Okay. Java home, right? Till the path till JDK 11. Java home. Okay. Now again you can give path, the path of the JDK. Now you can give till the bin folder. Now you can get the path of bin folder. So now we set the environment variables. Okay, right. Now you can see here. Okay, so this is how you are going to set the environment variables path for JDK. Okay, system. Edit the system configuration. You can go here. You can find it now. Go here. Say Java home is JDK11. Kill path. The path is till the bin folder of JDK file. Okay. I hope this is a very helpful and useful session, guys. Thank you.